Hi, it's MOTOROLA, and today I'll show you how to fix mobile data not working on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. First, scroll from the top, and here we have the mobile data. So we can go into Settings, then Network and Internet, and Mobile Data. Make sure that the data saver is disabled and the mobile data is enabled. Also, check which SIM card are you using. Also, you can go into the system, then the reset options and reset mobile network settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.